Muscles. Muscles can be large, big, and attractive. But how are we able to flex our muscles? Through muscle contraction, of course. And how does muscle contraction work? Well, let's break it down. This is the muscle, this is the tendon, and this is the bone. The outer layer of the muscle is the epimysium. The portion of the muscle is the muscle fascicle. The perimysium is the connective tissue around the muscle fascicle. The muscle fibers are the muscle cell. Endomysium is the connective tissue around the muscle fibers. And this is the myofibrils. In the myofibrils, there are sections called sarcomeres, which are the basic contraction unit of the muscle. The sarcomeres consist of thick filaments, which are myosin, thin filaments, which are actin, the midline, the Z-lines, troponin, and tropomyosin. This was the muscle broken down. But what is the process of muscle contraction? Well, first of all, it starts in the brain, specifically in the motor cortex. And in the motor cortex, there are motor neurons that release neurotransmitters called acetylcholine. When acetylcholine binds onto acetylcholine receptors, it causes an action potential, which is just a sequence of changes that allow a rush of calcium. The calcium seeps into the myofibrils, and in the sarcomeres, changes happen. Looking closer at the sarcomeres, the calcium binds onto the troponin, causing the tropomyosin to move out of the way of the binding site of the actin. While this is happening, one ATP attaches to the myosin, causing the myosin to be able to bind onto actin. Another ADP is needed for myosin to be able to pull the actin closer to the midline. After this movement, myosin release and the whole thing starts again.